Hello students, welcome back to online class once again. This is Arpita ma'am and today is another revision video. Are you ready students? Come, let's begin. Okay, so what is the name of this alphabet students? I know you all know. Correct. This is E. And do you remember the sound of E? Yes, it is E. Oh no, this animal is sneezing. What is this animal? Yes, it is elephant. Elephant. Now what is the name of this alphabet students? This is very easy. Yes, you are right. This is F. And what is the sound of F? Absolutely right. It is F. Now what is this animal? You are right. This is fish. Fish. What is the name of this alphabet students? Yes, you are correct. It is G. And the sound of G is G. Oh my God! What is this animal? Yes, it is gorilla. Gorilla. What is the face of this alphabet, students? Yes, you are correct. This is H. And the sound of H is H. Very good. H. And this animal runs really fast, right? So what is the name of this animal? Yes, horse. Horse. So the sound of E is E. The sound of F is F. The sound of G is G. And the sound of H is H. Our revision video is finished. Please practice. Now stay at home. See you soon in the next video.